Hey guys, welcome to my channel. आज का दिन हमारे मोरक्को ट्रिप का सबसे मीनिंगफुल एक्सपीरियंस था। हमने सहारा डेजर्ट में एक नोमाड कम्युनिटी के साथ पूरा दिन स्पेंड किया। उनका लाइफस्टाइल, वो कैसे इतनी एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस में भी रहते हैं, ये सब देखने का मौका मिला। ये सिर्फ एक विजिट नहीं था, बट अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट वे ऑफ लाइफ को समझने का एक रियल एक्सपीरियंस था।
Welcome to Sahara.
Thank you. Today I'm going to show you a very real experience with me. Something raw and unfiltered. ऐसे और moments के लिए subscribe करना मत भूलना.
I flight it last 2 years for exactly now in the river. So when there is a lot of rain in the mountains, comes full of water, and was flighted last 2 years because of the heavy rain that was here in this desert area. But it's good for the desert also to have water, and also for the nomad.
Yeah, it's very.
They carry the water from the dirt because in the dirt they don't have the sweet water.
Wow. Now we are inside a nomad settlement deep inside the Sahara Desert. And honestly, it feels unreal. यहाँ आते ही एक extreme silence feel होता है. Like the world has completely paused.
It's animals. They go moving around this destination. Because the animals flowing the rain and also the water for them to drink. So they go between some places that there is no more food for the animals. They need to change destination. They call their stuff and move by camels or donkeys from this side. They have another one. But when they move to change destination, always they go like together, 3 or 4 families together, because like this they hit each other. So here's it. This is all for the brood, and small one for cooking food or to make the hot water. And here always they cooked with the wood.
Wood.
Wood. And that the wood they catch from that we catch now the river. This tamarisk tree. From there they carry the wood. But sometimes for the good wood they need to go to the acacia. All carpet might go to wall. They make carpet
Okay.
or also they make the tent or jilaba. Jilaba is kind of this dressing, Berber dress, with another, how you say, for to cover the head also. Also they use same for the, like the blankets.
It's very cold in the night.
They have it is, they know how to survive. Always they have the blankets from the go to wall. They make a fire at night outside and stay around there. If anyone count this day story, what are passing during the day. They have the wall people see. This is the go to wall for to make to make the carpets, blankets. It's in they get the hair from the goat and they clean it. They clean it, then they roll it like this before you use for. And this is the woman they do this job, but always everybody here is very busy. So this is just they when they have some free time. Like this they finish it maybe in 3 months, 4 months.
Oh my
But
God.
all by hand, what they give time to have the good quality. And they have this market. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they have the water. Yeah. The water that do carry the woman, they carry with donkeys. And so you can see, yeah, so for the meat, they try the meat. They dry it. It's spicy, like this. You can see. And every day, they just little.
Little they cook.
They cook, yeah. Also, sometimes they have also, when there is a lot of grass, lot of rain, they have also goat milk. And with this goat milk, they is making goat cheese. Also, goat cheese. Without wall. On this it's the one that we see that carpet that finished not finished yet. So this is same. They make always they have two doors. For summer they open both doors with the air come air come free. But in winter they close both. They have small shower on the bathroom.
Oh, that's the bathroom.
But normally when nomad when they are far away from people, they have no bathroom. So just everywhere. But now because here it's a little more busy, so like more they can visit. So they need to cover. So they have this small bathroom. The couch place. Normally, if I do this small maybe what? I think it.
Oh,
Here they have small baby goat.
Oh, hello. Where did your mom go? Oh, there are so many.
Can carry. Let's carry.
No.
Every morning because before the moms go for looking for girls.
All right.
For the baby they give drink milk from the moms and they separate.
No, don't run. Don't run. Stay. Stay. Oh. It's all right. Hello. Okay, you can be my friend. Hello. Excuse me. That's wonderful.
Oh.
How'd you like?
Mom come in the back. Cheers! Tea, nomad tea, or hospitality. Because nomad, even they doesn't have nothing, but always they like share what they have with people.
That's really sweet.
Also, if you go to the desert and you're like you go and then you in the nomad tent, then you come. How you want without invitation, you can stay with them. They also same if they have some like wedding or some party, everybody comes, eat and dance. No needs invitation to come.
Oh.
Moroccan tea. Because they have tea more strong. And sometimes also they mix it with some plants, especially for desert, from the desert, for stomach or for the headache.
Oh.
Welcome. Cheers. But nomad they wake up early, always before the sun rise. So they like the women go to prepare food what needs food for the family. Also, they go give the goat, small baby goat, to drink from these moms before they separate. After breakfast, somebody go with the goat, somebody go to carry wood, somebody go to carry water, and the most of women they stay in house to prepare the food and also to carry the children and the kids. They have kids also.
They have very busy life also.
Yeah, example, it's little change because people back before sunset or they know they have time or something. But before nomad, it's more authentic and they know time to back to the home. For example, pastoring one, they know the time just with the Venus.
What is that?
Venus, star, Venus.
Venus.
Because this we call the star of the pastor. So when they need, that means will be dark soon. So need back. Now it's every time it's more less nomad because they have hard life.
Oh.
They go changing. Obligation needs to change life because also last 10 years like was dry. There is no lot of rain. Just rain, I think, in this area starts just last 2 years. It's getting more better. So nomad they go change life. Nomad also they like to have school for the kids. Also they go because in this area no school.
No school. Yes.
Just life school.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. You see?
they have enough time.
Yeah, true. Enough time to spend with the family. True. Where are you from?
Merzuga.
Marzuka.
In Merzuga town, but I born also my family was nomad before. Yeah, born a nomad, but since kid like with 4 years like this. I don't remember a lot, but 4 years like this. Then we go to Merzuga town. But Merzuga also before just small town. But after a lot of nomad families and they changed life. So they come to town and Merzuga now it's like a big city. But before just small town and everybody know each other.
Oh, lovely.
Salam. Salam.
Did she make the tent there?
Yeah. She defend this. She do this like to cover the tent from the sides, not like tent, but at the side of the tent.
نثبت السوريين طرف الكير تمشي الغمار جاتني واتكم كير وتلم.
This is the air from the goat and the camels. Camels. They've been before they
واحد هنا
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, no.
This one? I would like
Because
to.
it's a little busy.
صور 4 صور.
Come closer.
هذا تورين أنت.
You want to walk?
إيه.
Yes, you can teach me.
إيه.
You can teach me.
It's not that.
فكرت. ده طبق هذا تورين دروميني.
I'll go in.
Listen.
غلي.
Okay, I'll go in.
Yeah. ها حاول هذا مش تسكت ورد يا عربي نسيو تنتظر
I'll sit down.
الهند هنا
الهند.
What do I do?
India.
ها دو.
Come. Look like this.
ياه ها ها.
What?
الهند ناخذها حاولها. ها تلقاها.
Okay.
دو.
Just little. Yeah. So just small one like this, small.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
الناس هادي نجرب بها وكاين الخلاد.
Am I doing it right?
She said that is better you don't do it because it's hard.
I don't want to spoil it. Okay. شكرا.
الناس مرة بادين جايو يدغوا كان معاه.
Yeah.
She's doing it much better. I don't want to spoil it.
She said it's hard to do
It's
this.
hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. شكرا. شكرا.
شكرا.
Good.
عطيتي قلبي سني.
This is for her.
You can give for. شدنا. Sorry.
Mama. شكرا.
شكرا.
This is for you.
بسم الله شكرا. شكرا.
Okay. Bye bye.
انا وليدي.
Bye.
الله